Learn great tips and tricks for your computer in 60 seconds. Let's start. This wallpaper moves with your cursor, so in this trick you get cool wallpaper like this. All you need to do is follow my steps. First go in your Windows Start menu and type Store, and then click on Microsoft Store. And type Lively Wallpapers on your search menu. Now you will get this screen. Now install it. First I have already installed. After you install, click Open. Now the app will open. Click on Fluids. There are many more, but Fluids is the best one. After you click on it, it will instantly put the wallpaper of the selected wallpaper. Now the best part of this wallpaper is that it will react with audio of your PC. Here is an example.
There's already something to cover me. There's never a guarantee that loving is so easy. Some may define it as sugar